Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn our Maths 1 first chapter sets. See here, some pictures are given in your textbook. Flowers, bouquet, bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebook, collection of numbers. These all are some groups, some set of something. These all are set of something. See here, examples are given. Days of week, month in a year. If we say days of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we can make a set. We can make a list of them. Therefore, this is a set. Month in a year. We can name them and make a list of their names. So this is also a set. Brave children in the class. You can name them and make a set of them. So this is also a set. First 10 counting numbers. This is also a set. Strong forts of Maharashtra. You can count it. Then you can make a set of them. Planets in our solar system. You can count them and make a set of them. So these all are sets. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of given collection, then that collection is called a set. That means if you definitely say these things are in this group, a particular group, then you can say that it's a set. Generally, the name of set is given by capital number. Name of set is always given by capital numbers. The member of elements of the set are shown by using small letters. Member of the set are shown by small letter and name of the set is shown by capital letter. If A is an element of A, then we write it as A is element of A. And if A is not an element of A, then we will write as A is not an element of A. Now let us observe the set of numbers. N is equal to set 1, 2, 3 and so on is a set of natural numbers. Here natural numbers are much more. Therefore, we cannot show this in our notebook or textbook. So dotted lines are there. Set of whole number, that is W. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the elements of set of whole numbers. Now integers. We know that integers are negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So set of integers will have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here -4, -5 and so on. Q is a set of rational number. R is a set of real numbers. Now let us see one example. Days of week. I told that name of the set is written in capital letters. So D. I am taking D here. D is equal to curly bracket and you will list the name of days. Sunday. You will separate them by a comma. here we will complete the bracket. This is the method of writing set in listing method. Now there are two methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets, listing method or roster method. We have seen listing method. Now rule method or set builder form. In this method we do not write the list of element. We do not make a list of them, but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or column and write the property of the variable. For example, one example is given here. A is equal to x, where x is element of n. This is the sign of element. X is element of n, comma is there. 1 is less than x, less than 10. That means this 1 less than x less than 10 means your elements in the set are between 1 and 10. And one more condition is given there. X is element of n. So you are seeing the set of natural number. N is the set of natural number that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. But here in this example, A is the set of natural number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. So you will exclude 1 and 10 and you will write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our listing method and this is our rule method. You will write this in rule method x, where x is element of n, comma 1 is less than x less than 10. This is listing method and this is rule method. Okay, let us solve now practice set 1.1. Our first question is write the following sets in roster method. Now roster method is nothing but listing method. Okay, so first is set of even numbers. We know that even numbers are 2, 4, 6. The number which is divisible by 2 is called a even number. So we are writing set. We will take some name in capital letter, then bracket 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. There are so many even numbers. We cannot write them all. So we are taking here dots. Okay. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 15. Now, what is the prime numbers between 1 to 50? This is only 2. 2 is the only one prime number from 1 to 50. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers that are negative numbers. I am taking here name C and negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4. So on. 7 basic sound of a sargam. Now you will write here 7 sound of the sargam that are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are 7 sur or sound of the sargam. Okay, next question is, write the following symbolic statement in words. You have to write given symbolic statement in words. Now you will say that these are always already in word, but we have to write how we read it. First is 4 upon 3. How we will read it 4 upon 3 element of Q. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Next is -2. -2 is not an element of n. -2 is not an element of n. How we will write it? -2 is not an element of n. Next, P. P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. P is the set of all P's where P is an odd number. Okay, question number 4 is, write the following sets using listing method. That is, first question is all months in Indian solar year. So we will take a name P here and we will read the name of the Indian solar years by separating them with a comma. That are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margshish, Posh, Magh, Falgun. Next is the letter in the word complement. We will take some name A. You have to write set of letters in the word complement, and remember this, we will write all the alphabets in this word: C, O, M, P, L, E, M, N, T. Now I am not writing this E again because in set one element is only written once. Here E is repeating, but in set we will write E once only. Okay, fifth question is, write the following sets using rule method. You have to write given sets using rule method. First is A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Now you will observe them. What are they? By observing them, we concluded that they are perfect square numbers. 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3. They are perfect square number. 100 is a square of 10. So we will write A is equal to all the set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N square, where n belongs to, or n is element of n. We can say n belongs to n or n is element of n. N is less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to. Last limit is 100. 100 is square of 10. So we will write n less than or equal to 10. One more method is there. A is equal to x. A is the set of all x, where x is square of first 10 natural numbers. These are square of first 10 natural numbers. So we will similarly write x is square of first n natural numbers. Second one is b is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These are the multiple of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, till 6 eights are 48. Now we will write it as b is equal to set of all x where x is equal to 6n. n is element of n natural numbers. n is less than or equal to 8. We can also write b is set of all x where x is multiple of 6 and x is less than or equal to 48. Okay, now you have to solve all the remaining questions in practice set 1.1.